excited for the snow? Say, I want to go play in the snow, Mom. Want to go play? Baby. Say it's snowing. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm making Vivian some homemade strawberry banana pancakes, and these things are adorable. I hope they come out. I've never tried this before, so if this recipe works out, I'll show it to you in another video if that's something that you would like to see. This is kind of what my batter looks like. I got it has 1 egg in it, 1/2 cup of flour. I use unbleached flour, and I'm trying to think what else. Of course, a little bit of mashed up strawberry, 1 banana, and I threw in my own just some vanilla extract and a little bit of cinnamon. So let's see how they turn out. Hopefully they're good. Making progress. This is what they looked like when I flipped them. So they've got a little bit of like browning around the edges there. These turned out pretty cute. Vivian really liked them. I will say next time I won't have to use oil. I have avocados, like the spray. On this day I didn't have any spray, so I had to use like a touch of vegetable oil in the bottom of my pan. So it made it a little bit more, I don't know what's the word, like, I don't know what the word is. But anyways, yeah, they were great. We kept them in the refrigerator. I think you can keep them in there for like 3 days. And so we just would heat it up in the microwave a little bit. You could also heat it up on the stovetop if you want to reduce how much you use in the microwave, which is always probably a good idea. So anyways, I call this my New Year reset because I did film this very early on in January, but I have not been able to get it edited and uploaded yet. But hopefully that you still find this helpful for you. We're just going to kind of get the house reset, and starting in the kitchen. This is always where I like to start. We're going to get the dishes cleaned up, and then I feel like I can like do more deep cleaning once the like the dishes and the main like messes are cleaned up. Then I feel like I can go in and do more. So we're going to start here, and let's see where the day takes us. You set my soul on fire. Also, I'm so sad I have not got a Valentine's Day decorate, like a clean and decorate video out yet. And at this point, I don't know if that I'm going to get one out before Valentine's Day is over. So you'll be able to see some of my decorations, not much in this video. I also left out my garland over the window that I used for Christmas, and my plan was to put like a couple of little Valentine ornaments in the garland, but I didn't. It has red berries in it, and I just feel like it works. It's okay. It's cozy, and as you can see, we have a ton of snow on this day, so I really like having, especially at night whenever we just have lamps on, I like to have the garland turned on, and I think it works really good for this winter time and to go with my Valentine's Day stuff. So anyways, that's just my little spiel there on that. On this day, we also made some homemade bread in our little bread maker, and the house smelled so good. It was so cozy to just have like, that smell, and I don't know, just to be coated up in a blanket and just have like comfort food. And anyways, if you guys have a good recipe for like a bread maker like this, let me know. Leave it in the comments below. I would love to try a new recipe. I've only really used one, and I feel like it's definitely not foolproof. Like I've had bread turn out better than other times using the recipe. So yeah, I would love to know if you guys have a favorite, and I would love to try it out. of the first things that I like to do whenever I'm cleaning is to go ahead and put a load of laundry in. That way that can be washing while I'm also getting something else done. So it's all about like stacking, like just stacking things and getting multiple things done at one time. I'm all about that. I love efficiency, and that's just what I like to do. So on this day, we were going to go ahead and wash some of our bed sheets, and then we're going to tackle the next thing. I think this is only the second time on my channel that I've showed our bathroom upstairs. So I actually want to do quite a bit of things in here. I've already bought the paint. It's just a matter of having the time to do it, and also it not being freezing cold outside, so we can have some ventilation going with windows open and things like that. And also it's hard to be able to paint with a baby in the house. I'd rather her not be in the house whenever we do it. So anyways, there are some things that we're going to be doing in this bathroom hopefully this year in 2025, but we are going to go ahead and reset in here, get everything disinfected. I personally like to use like disinfectant wipes and in the bathroom. That way I cannot bring myself to use like a cleaner in here with a rag, because to me, once I wipe it with a rag, even if I like wash this in the washer with like Clorox or something, I just feel like it's not clean. It's just like a me thing. So I would personally rather just use something that I can throw away after I use it that also disinfects at the same time. As far as cleaning things that I, prefer versus like hate doing, I actually never really minded cleaning toilets. I don't, I guess it's just because, I don't actually have to touch like, stuff, and there's not much thought into it. You're going to use the same products pretty much. Like, you're going to have some sort of toilet cleaner and some sort of disinfectant wipe or rag or whatever you use. So, there's not much thought to it. So I don't mind it. I just, it's not like I love doing this, but it's never been something that I really hate like a lot of people do. Next, we're going to be working in our master bedroom, just getting everything tidied up, getting our bed made, and I'm also going to be taking down some of the Christmas stuff that I had on our dresser and replacing it with just like some year-round decor. And on the top of our bed frame there, I left our garland up for like just a little bit more of the winter season. And I just think that it works. It's cozy, and I just wasn't ready to take it down yet. I kind of liked it. So I did have a Happy Valentine's Day banner that I was going to put on our headboard, but I just didn't feel comfortable doing that because Vivian also, sits on our bed sometimes with us, and I just wasn't comfortable, thinking about her maybe pulling that garland down, and I don't know. I wasn't comfortable having it up there this year. So not in that season at this very moment to have a cute little banner on my bed. So this little blue blanket, waffle type of blanket that I have at the bottom of our bed here, this is new. for this year. I got this for Christmas from my husband. It was something that I had asked for, and I love incorporating maybe some more blues in here because I generally I kind of tend to go more cool toned in my decorating, but our rug in here is very, very warm toned. But it's the same rug I believe that Lauren Migley has, and she always talks about how she really feels like she can still incorporate her cooler tones in with that rug. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna try that and see how it works for me, if that bodes well for me in my room. So we're gonna kind of play around with that more this year, more as the spring season goes on. I might put some different kind of florals in here and just kind of have fun with it and play around. This video had a little bit of everything in it, but I really hope that you enjoyed and, you know, got some sort of motivation from it. And I can't wait to see you guys in the next video. I hope everyone's new year is going off to a great start. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye.